Well, hello there. Welcome back to my channel. Please excuse my crazy rock and roll looking hair that I got going on right now. It just happened. Before we get started with this video, I would love you if you would just subscribe to my channel. We're going to be posting new videos every Sunday, Tuesday, and Thursday. And we're not only going to do beauty, but it's going to be a wide range of everything. I have a lot coming, so just be patient. For today's video, as you can see from the title, it is going to be the Morphe Night Master 15N palette tutorial, and this is the look that we ended up getting, and it's so pretty. I really do like this look, and it does not only have to be a nighttime look. These are the colors. Yeah, they work pretty well. I'll talk a little bit more about them throughout the video, but there's some downfalls. There's a lot of like excess powder. There's some things they're missing, but you know, just keep watching and you'll find out. I'm gonna quit mumbling now and get right into the video, and just know that I did do like my eyebrows and foundation and contour and all that good stuff before I start the video. I am trying to cut down on time, and it just takes a long time to do eye looks, y'all. Sometimes like this doesn't come easy. But yeah, so please just keep watching, and yeah, let's get into the video. Ooh, they're crazy. Okay, so I already put concealer on my eyelids to act as just like a base / primer, and then I also put some baking powder under my eyes, so it just will help me dust away all of the excess powder that's going to get on my face, because like my last video, it is probably going to get a little intense. So for our first shade today, we're going to go into this shade Custom. It's just like a really light neutral shade, and we're going to use this big fluffy brush that we always use, but this time we're just going to put that all over the eyelid to just be a really plain base color. Okay, so now that we have covered the eyelid with that neutral shade, we're going to go in the shade Selfie right here, and we're going to go in with that same brush, and we're just going to put this in the crease, but also a little bit higher than the crease, kind of how I did in my last video using the Day Slayer. So we're going to crease and up, crease and up. Sorry, I had coffee again. Okay, so I'm going to go in the shade Va Va Voom, which is like a purpley reddy brown, and we're going to go straight up in the crease on both eyes, just to add definition. We're kind of working our way down to darker, and we're going to go in with this color Cliché, which is like this purpley magenta pinky color, and I think it's so pretty. And we're also going to go super lightly in the crease over what we just did. Sorry, I don't know what that was. We're going to do that on both sides. So now we're going to go in this color Scene, which is just like an eggplant color. And we're going to use the Morphe M505 brush, and we're going to do that just straight up like in the crease in the outer corner. So I didn't really mean to get that far up into the crease, but you know what, it's there now. So we got to rock and roll with it. And the other side. Okay, so I kind of cleaned off that big fluffy brush, and we're just going to go in the crease and with nothing on it, because we just kind of want it all to be blended really evenly instead of just super choppy. So we're just going to go on the edge of the top of where we finished with our eye look and just kind of soften it up. We're not done yet though, don't you worry. Okay, so we're going to go in with a little bit of concealer with this Urban Decay shadow brush, and we're going to kind of do like, I'm going to link in my bio, in the description box, the Day Slayer palette, and this is kind of like the same thing, but I think I want to go for a cut crease today. I don't know, we're still not sure about where we're going to be taking on this makeup journey. Y'all, this is bad. I'm just going to take this concealer and pat it from the inner corner basically all over the lid. So I put that concealer almost on my entire eyelid, or 3/4 of it really, except for in the crease area. I'm going to go in with this Sonia Kashuk brush. This is like a super old brush before she was like a bigger brand in Target, and it's just like a patting brush, and I'm going to take that and I'm going to spritz it with my MAC Prep and Prime, which I do for a lot of my brushes when I'm trying to do like a pat down shade. Okay, so we're going to go in with this shade Unique. I don't know if you can really see it. It's like this just gold color, and we're gonna take this color and we're gonna pat that all on our eyelid. I think it's just so pretty. And like this palette is really dark, but I do like how they put this shade in here so you don't have to do a full-on dark look. Okay, so I really want to try to keep this cut crease look as much as we can right now, and I'm going to go in with this shade Craze down here with this like just like a dabbing looking brush. I don't know how to describe it. And we're going to go in this shade Craze, which is like a purpley brown bronze. It's really pretty. And we're going to go in the crease, like on the crease line, and we're using this brush because it's smaller as opposed to like a big fluffy one, because we don't want to mess this crease line up too much. And we're just gonna go back and forth on the line to really define it, and we're gonna just bring that down into the corner and then also put it a little bit in the outer corner. Okay, so I just went in. I thought I pressed the record button, but I'm a dummy, so I forgot to. But I went in with this Kylie French Vanilla highlight, because I am disappointed that in this palette, you would think that with it being like 2018, they would get with the memo that you need a highlight shade. And yeah, like there's this light color, but that's not a highlight shade. And this is what we use like on the like on our eyelids, so we can't really use that for a highlight shade. So I just went in with this Kylie Cosmetics shade or highlighter in French Vanilla, and with the Morphe M167 brush, which is not like a highlighting brush, but it doesn't matter. And I went in like the inner corner. Okay, I really don't need to add more. I went in the inner corners of my eye, and then also went on the brow bone. Sorry, I like totally forgot to record me doing that. I'm new, I'm learning, I'm getting there. I just did that, and then I'm also gonna go and take this same highlight. I think I want to just go under the eye, under the bottom lash line, just to kind of brighten it a little bit. Like, I love a good dark look, and I know this is like a night palette, but I'm feeling bright today. I'm just gonna pull that down a little. Okay, so I'm gonna go and put on some winged eyeliner and fill in my waterline with black, and then put on some lashes, and I'll be back. Okay, I'm back. I put on some eyeliner, some winged eyeliner. I know I went a little overboard. I kind of have like a Cleopatra look going on right now, which I'm not mad at it. I'm really not. I thought I would be, but I'm not mad at it. And then I put on some lashes, and these are from, what brand are these? These are just the Ardell Faux Mink Luxuriously Lightweight lashes. Yeah, they were like $5 at Ulta, and so that's why I bought them. I probably should invest in like a higher end pair of fake lashes, but too cheap, too broke. Then I also dusted off all of that baking powder, and yeah, so that's where I went and did all that. Now that we're just finishing up, I'm gonna go in with this color Creativity down here, which is kind of like a pinky orange shimmer, and we're gonna go on that bottom lash line, because this palette really is so pretty, so I want to use like a lot of the colors. We're just gonna do that on the other side. And then I'm also gonna go in the shade Talent, which is like just an orangey bronze color, and we're gonna do that same thing on the bottom lash line. I'm just going to put on a little bit of mascara on that bottom lash line. Okay, so for the lip today, can't make up my mind what I want to do. And so I either want to do like a lighter shade, which you can do, it would look really good, but I think I'm going to go a little bit overboard because I never really do dark lips. And I'm going to use this Velvet Matte Cream Lip Stain from Victoria's Secret. Oh, a lip stain. This is going to be here all day. I'm going to the library after this, so that's great. And it's in the shade... That is not English. Oh, Unpredictable. And so we're just going to go in. I've never even worn this shade, because I don't really wear dark colors, because they don't... Ooh, that's like a purple. You know what? This is a dark night look. So we're just going to try it out. Okay, so I totally changed my mind. I actually really do love this color. Like, it's more like a berry. It looked more like a bright, like this does not look like the color that would come out of this, but I love this color. And this is not like your typical everyday look, but this is serving a look. And so this is like our final outcome of this whole dark palette, or night I can never remember the name. Night Master. This is our Night Master palette look, and I really did love this palette. I do wish there was more of a highlight shade. I already said that, but the overall look, like, you don't have to go for a full-on dark, crazy, deep look. It does look different in person than it does online, in my opinion, but that's just my opinion. And so thank you so much for watching this video. Thank you for making it this far. I really am trying so hard to cut down on how long the videos are, and I swear I'm going to start working on it. Again, I'm new to this, so I'm trying, I'm learning. I know I talk a lot and mumble and go on little off the bunny trail and just start talking about random stuff, but you know, you love me. Not really, you'll love me one day. So yeah, so this is our final look. I kind of feel like I could be like a rock and roll band lead singer or guitar player's girlfriend. Like, I just feel like that. I feel like I need to go to a rock concert with this look, and I don't know, maybe I will. No, I'm going to the library to write a paper. I'm going just like this. I'm gonna serve the look. Thank you so much for watching this video. Please subscribe to my channel. Again, new videos every Sunday, Tuesday, and Thursday. I will be doing a wide variety. I know I've been on a makeup kick lately, but we're gonna do more lifestyle, college, ratings. We're gonna do fashion. We're gonna cover all the basics. I may do some like life advice and stuff because got a lot of that. But yeah, so thank you so much for sticking around through this whole video. I know it was long again, but I really do. I love all of you. Thank you for subscribing, and tell your friends to subscribe. It's gonna be a party here every time. But yeah, thank you so much.